Now you're going to be on the stage later, which is always a little bit nerve-wracking, isn't it, Leon? Well, you're going to be chatting about vehicle ownership, and this is quite interesting for insurers and brokers alike.
Yeah, indeed. So the future of vehicle ownership is the title of the chat. I'll be joined by fellow panelists, including Mike Rutherford, as well as Select Car Leasing, Cinch, and Henshin Group as well, and all of them are speaking exactly about this point and how the shift is going from traditional to online in terms of acquiring cars, but also ownership in itself is, it's changing from purchasing the vehicles outright to going onto current PCPs where you don't actually own the vehicle, you use it for a period of time and almost give it back. But we're seeing a shift now moving into the sharing economy with mobility. And that entails everything from peer-to-peer rentals as well as vehicle subscription services. So from an insurance standpoint, quite a challenging time because we're all having to underwrite real time rather than look back on legacy data to try and predict the future. So it's certainly the way the automotive industry is going. And it's one where us as risk advisors, the bit in between, we've got to almost hang on to the coattails of where the automotive industry is going and drag the insurers with us to make sure that we are able to continue meeting the demands.
Yeah, in one sense, the day of the annual car policy is kind of coming to an end, and lots of new on-demand insurance products really are the future, aren't they?
Yeah, so we are seeing a rise of the insurtech firms. So let's say your traditional underwriting where it was all annually based, and we're seeing, we're helping businesses, software developers predominantly, that are driving platforms for vehicle subscription, where they need an insurance solution for people having a vehicle from an hour, right up to a few months, and maybe you'll get up to the year. So we're trying to bridge that gap in between, which it's been a challenge, but it's been exciting at the same time.
It is exciting. In the future, I'm just going to rent a supercar for a nice month in the summer.
Yeah, so I suppose the beauty with the whole vehicle subscription market is you have to build yourself a profile, and yes, we could get to that one day, and they then open up what cars you're allowed to use based on your driving behaviors. So that's how great the data is. It links into everything that's in the car, as well as all the data you put in at the front profile, and if you're abusing it, you might get restricted and you can only drive your 1.2 Fiat Punto, but you keep driving well, and the idea is that they can reward you with opening up access to a range of other models, including your supercar. Yeah.
Thanks, Leon. We will catch you later at the show. Enjoy the day.
Thank you.